Learn to read ABC. A. Apple and aeroplane. B. Bat, balloon, ear, butterfly. C. Cat, cake, cactus. D. Dice, drum, door, donut. E. Eggplant, egg, envelope, elephant. F. Football, fox, finger, food. G. Gift, girl, gorilla, ginger. H. Heart, hat, helicopter, hand. I. Iceland, ice, ice cream, igloo. J. Jelly beans, jelly, jellyfish. K. Kettle, kite, knife, keyboard. L. Lion, leaf, ladybird, lamp.